Welcome to the part 2 of this video. Remember the video we learn how we can download an application. So this video is gonna be how to install the exe file of the video you downloaded. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. If you want to watch how to download your other video, the link is in description. To download the exe file, you click on the application you downloaded. So this is Visual Studio Code. This is the application I downloaded in the last video. When I click on it, it will start downloading the exe file. When you click on it, you see another new window will open. That is the Visual Studio Code set up. So you have, before you do this, you have to agree the agreement before you can download it. So when I agree the licensing agreement, click next to continue. Click next. You can create a desktop icon if you want it, so I need it. Click next. And this is the final step. Just click on install to start the installation process. You wait for a few minutes or moments for Visual Studio Code to install on your computer. This step, you can use it on any other application you want to download or install. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this.